picture me rolling, shot by lowest. Nasa ghetto lang ako, nagchichillin. Nasa Pinas men, nagpapakalat. Musika na dope sa boka, mamaya mixtape yeah. Mati kada buwan, sa maling advice wag kang makinig doon. Corleone the Don, rap tinutulak ko, sobrang underground. Mainit kada serve, fresh pondala. Minsan wala akong oras para makipag-making love. Focus lang sa aking grind, nag-iiba ng scene. Kita ko mga papansin, sinubukan magabol pero matulin. Syudad to syudad, meron mission. Aking vision, sobrang lawak. Iwas ardar, smooth lang, walang mahawak. Aking rap shit, parang landmine.
By 1931, Al Capone was at the top of his game. He had no real rivals anymore among Chicago's mobsters, and he continued to expand his empire in case prohibition was repealed.